This knife is new, just in. It's called a China Red Hunter. Thumb stud opening, liner lock, very easily opens. Very nice knife. Beautiful handle. Really nice weight on this knife. And the blade is very thick, nicely contoured, satin finish. It's 440 stainless, and about maybe 30% serrated. Very good blade, very, very strong blade. But we have a secret here. Yes, this is a Switchblade. Nice action, nice firm snap. Closes easily. To the average person, wouldn't look like a Switchblade, just a folder. Nice knife for those places that may or not want to carry a Switchblade. Anyway, there we are. It's a beauty. I have 3 of these, one in blue speckle, and one in green speckle, and then this one in red speckle. Beautiful knife. Very, very beautiful knife. I'm sure I'll sell a lot of these.